Hey everyone, it's Lila. Big news, the Welcome SUICA app has finally been released. But wait, what makes it different from regular SUICA on Wallet app? In this video, I'll break down the benefits and things you need to watch out for so you can decide if it's the right choice for your trip. The current IC card situation in Tokyo. First, let's talk about the latest status on IC cards in Tokyo. SUICA and PASMO were unavailable for purchase from summer 2023 to September 2024 due to a semiconductor shortage. But now, SUICA and PASMO are all available for purchase. Welcome SUICA is also back and can be purchased at Narita and Haneda airports, as well as JR East Travel Service Center. If you want a detailed guide on how to use SUICA, where to buy it, and tips for using it efficiently, check out this video. Do you actually need the Welcome SUICA app? You might be wondering. But wait, I can just use the Wallet app on my iPhone to top up SUICA, isn't that enough? Well, here's why the Welcome SUICA app is a game changer. If you have an iPhone 8 or newer, you can install and set it up before you even arrive in Japan. You can purchase value train ticket directly in the app. For example, you can buy the JR Tokunai Pass from this app. The JR Tokunai Pass allows unlimited rides on JR lines within the central Tokyo, making it a convenient option for sightseeing. For more details on Tokyo's best value tickets, be sure to check out this video. Starting fall 2025, it will support ticketless services for Narita Express, Fuji Excursion, and even the Shinkansen. The new ticketless service will let you skip the station ticket counters, saving you time. Since JR has been reducing the number of ticket counters as a cost-cutting measure, being able to purchase tickets without waiting in line will be a huge time saver. By spring 2026, you'll also be able to buy regular green car tickets for trains to Narita Airport and Kamakura via the app. Additionally, this app provides travel information for tourists and makes it easy to check train operation updates. It's a one-stop service app. This is especially useful for shorter than 6 months visitors. Things to keep in mind about the Welcome SUICA app. While it has some great perks, there are a few key differences from a regular SUICA. If you charge money to SUICA or PASMO in the Wallet app, your balance never expires, but it's non-refundable. Welcome SUICA app, on the other hand, has a 180-day expiration period from the date of activation. Once that period ends, any remaining balance will disappear, so be careful. Be sure to use it up on your last day of travel. Now that you know the pros and cons, you can decide if it's the best option for your trip. Will you go with SUICA, PASMO, or the new Welcome SUICA app? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Now, let's go over how to use SUICA with the Wallet app and how to install the Welcome SUICA app. How to use SUICA in the Wallet app. If you're an iPhone user with a model newer than the iPhone 8, your device has an IC chip that allows you to use mobile SUICA. A lot of people say the mobile SUICA app is tricky to install, so let's use the Wallet app instead. It's super easy. 1. Open the Wallet app. 2. Select Transit Card. 3. Choose Japan. And you'll see SUICA, PASMO, and ICOCA. 4. Install the one you prefer. 5. If you haven't linked a credit card or bank account yet, be sure to do that. This way, you won't need to carry cash to top up your card. How to install Welcome SUICA app. Search Welcome SUICA app. Download the app. Agree to the terms and conditions. Set up your secret keywords. Turn on location information. That's it. When it comes to topping up your mobile SUICA, you'll need Wi-Fi or a data connection. But don't worry, just passing through the ticket gates doesn't require data. And even if your phone runs out of battery, as long as you've got a balance on your SUICA, you can still get through the gates. Oh, if you're traveling with kids, keep in mind that children age 6 to 12 pay half the adult fare for train rides. Child SUICA and PASMO cards can be purchased at train stations, but please note that the Welcome SUICA app and using SUICA through the Wallet app do not support child fares. So, now that you've got your transportation sorted, let's talk about one of the most exciting things to plan around, cherry blossoms. On March 3rd, the latest cherry blossom forecast was updated. Tokyo's cherry blossoms are now expected to bloom on March 21st, 3 days earlier than the previous forecast. Since blooming refers to the start of the season, full bloom usually happens 6 to 7 days later. Today's Tokyo is cloudy and freezing, but can you believe the cherry blossoms will start blooming in just 3 weeks? Excited? I know I am. I really appreciate your support on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.